This is the reassembly of an Htc Evo 4G. First thing you do is connect the cables back into the motherboard. Each one has a little latch you can pop back down on. After doing so, take one of your the Phillips head screw for the circuit board. You put it in the top right hand corner of the phone. Make sure not to go too tight. You can bend the circuit board and do some damage there.
Mr. Sexo. Who are you talking to?
Myself.
Oh, you're making a video, my bad. Did I interrupt?
No, not really.
Can I be the special guest?
Sure you can.
What up?
Snap the back onto the phone. And you'll need your T9 bit again. To put the 6 screws on the back in the phone. And now the Htc Evo is completely reassembled. Thanks for watching. Check out my other videos.